track, track, track. A rough path or road, a prepared course for athletes, horses, cars, bikes, or animals to race on. These roads or paths, also known as tracks, are prepared for athletes, cars, and horses. Let's use track in a sentence now. The world's longest racing track is in Germany. Track, track, track. A mark or line of marks left by a person, animal, or vehicle in passing.
Hi Anna, what happened? Why are you so worried?
I actually lost my cat. I can't find it anywhere.
Your cat is missing? Don't worry, okay? Let's go look around. We'll try finding it by ourselves, okay?
Yes, please. Come
Okay, come. Don't worry, Anna. I'm sure we'll find it.
Yes, you're right.
Hey, do you see those paw prints?
Yes, I can.
I'm sure they belong to your cat. Come on, let's follow the tracks.
Okay, come on.
Let's use track in a sentence now. Anna and her friend followed the tracks made by the cat in the garden.